Good afternoon from Grand Fleming Farm. It's January 10th, 2025, about 2:20 in the afternoon, and the goats are munching out on the Christmas tree. This is all natural, came from the woods. Wasn't one of the store-bought ones. Anyway, they're enjoying it. The weather was really dark today and really depressing, but clouds parted. We got blue in the sky. Doc taking my pickup over to West Valley, trying to give me some grass alfalfa hay. So hopefully he gets back with that soon. Yeah, since I'm down here, all the animals think they need something. Yeah, I give you some grain. Hang on, EJ. Anyway, it's a pretty day now. Can't wait for spring.